Hey everyone, it's Forever Plays Minecraft here, and today I am playing Roblox called Airplane 2. So, if I say I'm recording, wait, I'm recording. Wait, bleep. I'm recording. I'm recording. So it's a sorry, lol. My mom called me. Bye. What? I'm recording. All right. Now I'll get in here. What? All right. Wait, I forgot something. We're not. Alright, I'll go from this one. Everyone is not following me. This idiots. Oh my god! I'll say I'm recording. I'm recording. Let's go. Is this a president? Like, okay, never mind. Come in. Oh my god, I hate them. They're so mad. They're actual noobs. Alright, I'll go for this one. If they don't go, my fans will hate me. No, never mind. I'm not gonna join them because they're actual noobs. No, there you go. Oh god, I'm so quick. Bye. Alright, now we're waiting. Why? 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 Alright, you know what? I'm done. Alright, I'm back now because I'm so mad from this stupid game. Trying to launch they ruined my freaking life. Click me to play. I'm playing. Alright. Oh yes. You think I'm so close. Alright, this looks pathetic, but I won't say that. Hey, alright, I'll say I'm recording. I'm recording. Alright, where's my... Okay, that's Mimi's. There's mine. Hello, everyone. Or it's Pilot Kelly. Welcome back. Hey, how you doing? We meet you again. Sit down. There's your seat. Oh my... Bro, he's an actual idiot. Come on. My name is Kelly. Okay. I will be your pilot in this flight. Wait. As you can probably tell, it's not a regular plane. I know it's not a regular plane, but I don't have slippers. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the... What? Okay, I don't remember that. You heard right? The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. He just left the game! You played an airplane last time. I played the airplane. You still don't understand how the captain lost control in that time. God dang it. Anyways, you saved the day. Yep, the reason why... Alright, enough chatting. I'm not chatting! Idiot! Alright, look, he just left... Crap. He just left the game. That's Mimi's. Please find a seat that has a golden label with your name. Okay. As we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Turbulence! Turbulence! Bro, it's like a immortals. We can be immortals. Immortals. Did we just do the barrel roll? Oh my god, it's just looking at me. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you, Buster. But I won't say that. I have been informed a president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Shut up! I mean, not shut up. Please find him there for further instructions. That was the president agent turned into a monster. Idiot! Alright. There he is. And remember, no one should know about this. Shut up, man. And I'll go to your flipping bathroom. Did anyone else see that? Look, it's just looking at me. No. Welcome to the presidential airplane. Shut up, because you're a monster. And congratulations for what you have done. Shut up, idiot. Just die. Your country is grateful. Follow me to the next room. Thank you, Buster. I will give you some instructions. Shut up. You're the boss. Excuse me. Wait for me. Alright. This is a broken. President is getting ready. Oh, wait, guys. Wait. He will meet in the dining room in a couple of minutes. Hey, mommy, stop casting me. Alright, okay, but there's something you must know before that. The president is very special. He gets mad very easy. Please do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble. So, that's all. President should be almost ready. Why don't you guys grab a glass of water while we wait? Oh no! I did this! Oh no! Oh no! Look at this mess! The president is going to be so mad! Oh my god, no. No. I'll meet you guys later. Alright guys, I'm done. So, oh my god, I was having an anxiety attack. No way. Oh god, I have a dip scrap. Please follow me to the dining room. Sure. Alright, I'm going. Beep, 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 beep. Cook! I wanna cook! What's that? Ew! Idiot! Ow, my head. Alright. He's naked. Build that brick wall! Ow! Wait, what? He's just looking at me. Ouch. I'm sorry. It's the habit. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. Just shut up. No, I won't say that. My name is Ronald. What? I'm the president of Roblox Estates. I won't say Ronald, but you must know you are heroes of this nation. I'm a hero saving this plane. We have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Okay. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw the chef off this plane! We will take care of him, Mr. President. Mr. President. I just saluted, so Rafa plays 009. Okay, I will cook. Because my mom didn't teach me. But Mr. President, I have never cooked before. Mom, please teach me how to cook. Well, you better learn quick or else I'm throwing you out of the plane too. Perfect place 009. I will tell you the ingredients and you have to find them and drop them into the soup pot. Before the I can't. If you grab the wrong ingredients, throw it in the trash can. Are you ready?
No.
Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready. Time to cook. Wait.
Ingredients.
The soup needs grapes. We need grapes. Alright. Or grapes. The soup needs apple. Or where's the apple boy? Okay, apple. There you go. Yes, I've learned it. The soup needs cabbage. Is it this? Cabbage, yes. Yes, I'm too genius. The soup needs apple again. Okay, sir? Mr. Sir? There you go. Yes, sir. The soup needs butter. Butter, coconut, butter. Yes, sir. Food is ready. What? I learned it. Thank God. How did I learn this? I'm so genius. I learned to cook. Not in real life, okay? Because I didn't learn how to cook. It looks delicious. Thank you, President. Everyone take a seat. Okay, I'm not sitting with you because you're really naked. But I won't say it. Oh, nom nom nom. Okay, that's weird. That's weird. Alright. Oh, nom nom nom. That's yummy. That's really yummy. Okay, that's funny. Okay, enjoy. Oh, nom nom nom. Oh, nom 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 nom. Oh, nom nom nom. This is really delicious. Okay, okay. Oh, this is the delicious food. We hope you enjoy the soup. President had to leave early. He should be meeting you again at the presidential suite. Please follow the path to the computer room. Where? Oh, there you go. Dun, 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 dun. I'm recording. Alright. Computer room. Hey, you will get smack. Oh wait, I don't want to become a hacker because it's bad, bad, bad. Alright, welcome to the computer room. Hello, toilet man. We use this room to protect any cybernetic attack to our system. The president is waiting in the presidential suite.